We have I believe it's a 2007 Honda Shadow. All keys lost. We've picked the ignition using a Lishi and let's see if I can get better on that. So get our cuts. 1 is 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Again, so 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Alrighty. And we used that was a, come on, focus. You can do it. That was the HD74 Lishi. And then we've got the Black Widow all set up. It's got the shoulder stop. We are using JMA keys, the HD63P. The P stands for the plastic head. We will cut a key and we'll be right back. All right, key is done. Not bad. All right. What's it gonna do? Try the gas cap. Gas cap pops. Good sign. Check the ignition. Beautiful, like butter. And I did check the code. I believe it was C28 was the code. So another happy customer, who of course is family again, but lost their keys to the bike, and we got new keys for them again. All right, thanks guys, bye.